Call of Duty for me. You know things we went through, KwaNdebele, right? You guys came through for me every day. And for that, I just want to say you guys are fucking amazing and I appreciate you. You're probably one of the hardest working crew I've worked with, right? And from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, guys. May you just finish the last 3 scenes on a bang. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Actors, crew, cast, security, catering, and to my boss. Thank you so much.
Mr. Gucci.
Mkhabela, thank you so much, my brother, for gracing us with your talent, for working hard, for keeping the fires burning, for inspiring the cast and crew. You know, we've been together on this journey from mid-journey. In fact, when you joined, it was not easy. It was hard. We were hit by strikes, almost 2 deaths that hit us. You were not there. It was Khadu was there. It was Tony when Silva died and he woke up from the dead.
And
then we had Thomas, but you know, it's been quite an interesting journey and the numbers don't lie. I mean, yesterday we trended, and when your episodes come, you're gonna trend some more. Thank you so much, Mkhabela. Wish you the best. We're gonna be doing more work together in the future. Sizohlangana siyelapha kuya khona abantu abadala.
Thank you.
Thomas, on behalf of the crew, say a word.
Oh, Thomas.
Yeah, Thomas.
Okay.
Thomas and Sokela Mkhulumele for e-cast. Actually, Oza and Mobile. May you please speak on behalf of the
guys.
Of the cast.
2 minutes, Thomas is gonna kill you guys.
Yeah. Thomas Sokela, then when?
Okay, guys. After this one, we're doing 419 and 421 and 422, and with the set move. Thanks, Khotmana. First time I met you, so can't excited you came or a killer or a copansite or router family king as a team because of the reads or Arswena, Negasore, Motolo every time you were solving every X. And what I've learned from you is that always find solution on everything. So we did, and Raleboha, available, crew not available, but for us, he makes sure that we're not available, guys. And for that, thank you. Aleluya, guys. Thank you a lot.
So tell us on behalf of the cast.
My good sir, I don't believe I can speak on behalf of this cast because there's a group of people, very special group of people that are being highlighted for the first time on South African television. And I don't think in a little conversation like this we can summarize or conclude what you have done for this production, for these people, for this nation as a whole, which is going to be changed by this story, by the work of your hands in this production. And I know some actors, James from before, but I know the personal stories of some of these actors, and for them to come to a show like this and be part of something like this happening for the first time, you've made dreams come true. You've made dreams come true. You've created moments on screen that could not have been had it not been you directing those scenes. And I just pray God bless you and your family and all the works of your hands. And you are who you say you are. And we know that. And we believe it. And we believe you. Thank you so much for your leadership, your mentorship, your guidance, your positivity. I want to cry, sorry. But really, I mean this from my heart. Thank you. So you have no idea what you've done. You will know in years to come what you have done for these people here. It's so special. It's so big. It means so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Okay, guys, let's move to the lion before we cry. Let's move to the lions.
Dude, look what you're doing to me. Jesus Christ.